I'm going to be telling you how you can really start trading with $0. Yes, I said it. You can start trading with $0 without money, and you can earn a lot of money just from trading with $0. If you don't want to trade whatever amount you're going to earn from whatever strategy, it's okay. But what I'm going to be telling you in this video is something that's changing a lot of lives. It's helped a lot of people, and it's a lot of people, like, oh, I don't want to invest money into the market. I don't want to put my personal money in there. Or they don't want to learn, pay for mentorship or something like that with their personal money. But there's a secret, there's a hack that you can really use to make money, crazy money. Go to your app store and download Robinhood, Robinhood. You're going to see Robinhood. So when you find Robinhood, the next thing that you want to do is open an app on your phone, create an account. Once you sign up, you're gonna be in and on your way. So let's assume now we already have Robinhood. We're gonna see a couple of things down. We're gonna see investing, we're gonna see crypto, we're gonna see the search bar, and at the lower right corner, you're gonna see an icon that shows a profile. So the first icon on the right at the lower bottom, that's the icon you're gonna click on. So you tap on that, and then you're gonna see investing, you're gonna see individual, you're gonna see retirement, you're gonna see a lot of things. So if you look in the upper corner, in the upper left corner, where we have the time on your phone, I don't know what phone you're using, you're gonna click on those three lines. Click on that, and then when you click on that, it's gonna show a menu, right? You're gonna see menu. So on the menu, you're gonna see investing, you're gonna see investing, you're gonna see crypto, transfer, rewards, history, report, and etc. Right? So when you see all these things, here's the sweetest part of this thing. But in the meantime, guys, I want you to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, okay? So I'm giving you a free game on how you can really make some money from the market without investing any money. So now here's the sweetest part. So what you want to do is this. Listen up, guys. Listen up. You want to hit where it says rewards, okay? You're going to tap on rewards. Now, when you tap on rewards, see what it says. Invite a friend, get $5 to $200 worth of stock right here. Right here. So you're going to earn up to $5 to $200 off from every person that you invite to sign up, okay, to become a member of Robinhood. And that's how a lot of people make money. So with that, what you want to do, you're going to click on invite contacts, right? Some people have over 1,005, 2,000, or 1,000 numbers in their phone. So all you want to do is you're going to hit invite contacts. And then when you hit invite contact, it's going to say, would you like to access your contacts? Continue. And then when you hit continue, it's going to tell you share or contacts, right? So you're going to select over 4 to 5, 6, 700, or 900, or 1,000, or whatever amount of contacts that you have in your phone. You're going to select them and share the link with them. And once you're done doing that, right? Once you're done doing that, the next thing you want to do now is to just sit back, right? And see those that are going to sign up. Assuming you sent an invite to over 1,000 numbers that you have in your phone, and about 300 people actually sign up. So let's assume if even like each sign up, you're getting like $20, $25, because sometimes that's the amount people usually get, right? But if you're lucky, you could get up to 200, like I said. So let's assume you got like 25 from every sign up. So 25 times 300 people. That's 7,500 right there, right? People that sign up at $25, that's 7,500. That's a good side hustle for people. And there's a lot of people goes about doing that every time, and they make money from the market that way. And you can use this money to invest into the market, or you can use this money to invest into something else to change your life. And guess what? You can do this with a lot of brokers, not just Robinhood. You can go to Momo, you can go to TD Ameritrade, you can go to a lot of brokers, invite people, and make money. It's a legit way of making money, and it's a lot of people doing this strategy, and they're making money from the stock market this way. And they can even use the same money to invest it into the stock market and make times 10x, 11x, or whatever amount just from this one. So that's how you can start investing with $0. You don't need nothing. You just need to sign up for Robinhood or whatever broker that you want to use and start making money.